Welcome to the ITSM Practice podcast.
Welcome to the ITSM Practice. I'm your host, Luigi Ferri, and today we answer to this question. How can ITIL practices streamline your major incident management process? Let's start. A major incident is characterized by its substantial impact and urgency, posing an immediate threat to business continuity. The criteria for what constitutes a major incident vary significantly across different organizations, depending on their specific business goals and operational frameworks. For example, an email system outage may be manageable for some, yet for others, like a hospital, the failure of critical systems such as patient management could result in dire consequences. How are incidents prioritized in business operations? Effective incident management differentiates between levels of incidents based on their impact and urgency. Priority 1 incidents. These incidents broadly affect numerous users, but typically do not disrupt revenue-generating functions immediately, unless they are left unaddressed for too long. Major incidents. These critical events significantly hinder the organization's operational capabilities. For instance, a major power outage or the crash of essential operational software. What are the essential considerations in major incident management? In the realm of IT, managing a major incident focuses sharply on minimizing business disruption. This involves aligning all remedial actions with overarching business objectives and ensuring that any continuity plans are robust and immediately actionable. For example, enabling remote work smoothly and efficiently becomes a priority if a major incident disrupts normal office functioning. Who plays what role during a major incident? Identifying and assigning roles is crucial for managing a major incident efficiently. Incident manager. This role involves coordinating all efforts to synergistically resolve the incident. Major incident team. Comprising senior managers, technical staff, and other relevant stakeholders, this team is charged with directly addressing the incident. They often collaborate closely with the teams dedicated to addressing the long-term issues that the incident may reveal. How do incident and problem management differ? It's crucial to distinguish between incident and problem management. Incident management focuses on quickly restoring service to minimize disruption. Problem management seeks to identify and resolve the root causes of incidents to prevent their recurrence. What preparations are necessary for major incidents? Being well prepared is essential for effective major incident management. Organizations need to establish and refine procedures for incident escalation, engage key stakeholders in strategic planning, and regularly test continuity plans to ensure their effectiveness in real-world scenarios. What strategies ensure effective resolution of major incidents? During a major incident, effective strategies often involve a dual approach. Service restoration, implementing quick fixes or workarounds to restore services temporarily. Root cause analysis. Simultaneously, another team investigates to identify and address the root cause of the incident, ensuring it does not recur. Why is communication crucial during a major incident? Maintaining clear and open communication lines with both customer and internal teams during a major incident is essential. Keeping all parties informed with regular updates about the resolution process helps manage expectations and reduce frustration. How important is the post-incident review? After a major incident has been resolved, it is crucial to conduct a comprehensive review to understand the causes and dynamics of the incident. This process not only helps in learning from the event, but also in refining strategies to prevent future occurrences. How can organizations leverage resources and expertise in major incident management? Organizations should utilize available resources and expert guidance to enhance their major incident management capabilities. While frameworks like ITIL provide foundational guidance, the specifics of their application should be adapted to meet the unique needs and challenges of each organization. In conclusion, major incidents are the inevitable aspect of business operations, but with strategic planning, precise role definition, and robust communication strategies, their impact can be effectively managed. By deepening their understanding of major incident management, businesses can protect their operations, maintain customer trust, and uphold their operational integrity. Now, a final question. Is ITIL's detailed method for handling big problems too strict and complicated for today's fast-moving businesses, possibly slowing down quick change and new ideas in emergencies? I invite you to connect with me on LinkedIn for further discussion. Thank you for joining me today, Luigi Ferri, on the ITSM Practice podcast. Until next time, arrivederci.